It is required to make a closed cylindrical tank. So here we need a closed cylindrical tank, closed both the ends, of height 1 meter, base diameter 140 centimeters. From a metal sheet, how many square meters of sheet are required for the same? So in this sum we are dealing with a cylinder, and that too we are dealing with a closed cylinder, closed at both the ends. Of this cylinder, the height is given as 1 meter. Remember, we need to work the sum in meters. Here, how many square meters they said. So we need to work the sum in meters. So the height of the cylinder is 1 meter, and the base diameter is 140. So 140 centimeters. So the radius will be 70 centimeters. But we need to work in meters, so that would be 70 over 100 meters, and the decimal we put 7 meters. We can ignore this decimal, this 0. So these are our dimensions. Now if you see here, we have this sheet, the square sheet. We need to find this area of the square sheet to make a cylinder. So see the surface area. We have 3 surfaces. One is this surface. This is one surface. This is the second surface, and this is the third surface. It's put here very nicely. So we need to find this surface area, which is a CSA. Then we need to find this surface area, which is pi r square on the top, and then we need to find this surface area. So again, we'll mark it here. I just change the colors because my background is green and I cannot use green. So one is this surface, which is the CSA. We have this surface here. Oh no, wrong color. And this surface we know is pi r square. And then we have the bottom surface here, which is again pi r square. So the TSA that we require is made up of 3 surfaces. So have you seen the TSA is made up of these 3 surfaces? We know the gray surface is 2 pi RH, so 2 pi RH is a CSA. This yellow surface is pi r square, and this red surface is also pi r square. So we need to add. So I take another color, so I put TSA equal to 2 pi RH, pi r square, 2 pi r square. I take the 2 pi r common out and I get H plus. Now let me put my values. That is here I have 2, my pi is 22 by 7, my r, look up here. This 0 after decimal has got no value, so I can take my r as 0.7. So my h I got to take first. So my h is 1 meter and 0.7. So that would be 2 into 22 by 7 into 1.7. You work this out and you get the answer 7.48 meters square. So the area required to make this is 7.48 meter square.